Alright, this is part 4. The speakers are all installed, and this is how it sounds. So yeah, job well done as far as I'm concerned. Now, trick for new beginners, to take these door cards off, you want to take off these tweeters first. And what you do is you just grab it, pinch it, pull it off nice and easy. And then same for the tweeter as well. You just want to grab that, pop it off, and easy, then just kind of leave it hanging as you take the door cards off. Now the door cards, you need to take the control switch out. So there's a clip up inside there, a clip down there. I found the easiest thing is to get a flat blade screwdriver, kind of pry it under, and just gently pry it up, lift it up, and this thing here will eventually pop out. You've got a screw there, and you've got a screw inside there that has to come out. This trim here, you can basically just use it with your fingers. You can see the edge there that runs around. So this ring here pops off, the handle stays in place on the door. Then the door card just pops out nice and easy. If you don't take the tweeters out, you're not going to be able to get the door card off without damaging the tweeters. And yeah, ask me how I know.